Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 RealEstate. First of all, I am going to read to this project description. You are the office manager for a real estate company. You track real estate listing including city, agent, listing price, sold price, etc. Agents can be represented as seller and buyer. Okay. Here is my Excel workbook. I have already downloaded it. Okay. Now I'm going to move for my first step. My first step is start Excel, download it and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 RealEstate. Okay, I have already downloaded Excel workbook. You can see. Okay, you can see here. Today I'm going to do Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 RealEstate. My second step is here. The spreadsheet contains codes BADASA to represent the agent role. Okay, in cell E12 to detail sheet, insert the switch function to evaluate against D12. Include the mixed set references to the codes and the role in the ranges J2 to K4 for the values and insert argument choose or set references in the function call. Okay, you can see here. I'm going to do this one. In cell E2, okay, in E12, okay, you can see here. I'm going to do the step number 2 in cell E12, the dates sheet, insert the switch function to evaluate. Okay, here is cell E2. I'm going to insert a switch function. Here's D12. Okay, you can see here. I'm going to complete the switch function. J12 comma K12. Okay, you can see here. Sorry, J2 comma, also applying absolute set references K2 comma J3 comma K3, applying also absolute set references comma J4. You can see here comma K4. Okay, I have done. I have found the word your agency by applying the inserting the switch function. You can see here, and copy the function to the ranges E13 to E39. You can see. Now I'm going to copy the function by using the fill handle. Here I'm going to copy the function by using the fill handle and the find the values in my remaining cells. Okay, I have done. I have completed the step number 2. And I have also inserted the switch function to find the evaluate the agent. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 3. In cell J12, insert the days function to calculate the number of days between the listing date and the sales date. Copy the function to the ranges J13 to J39. Okay, you can see here in cell J12, insert a days function to calculate the number of the days between the listing date. Okay, in cell J12, insert the days function to calculate the number of the days between the listing date and the sale dates. Okay, you can see here. I'm going to move for my next step, step number 3. Here I'm going to apply the date function to the days on market. Okay, you can see here. Here I'm going days. Okay, I12 comma S12. Okay, I have found the days on market, that is 76. Okay, I have completed. Now copy the ranges J13 to J39. I am going to complete step number 3 by copying the function J13 by using the fill handle. I have copied the. Okay, I have completed the step number 3 and find the days on market. Okay, now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 4. In cell K12, insert the if function. Okay, you can see here in cell K12, insert the if function to calculate the agent's commission based on the agent code and the applicable rates. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to find the agent commission. I am going to apply the if function. Here is if's logical. It's basically logical test. You can see here D12 is sorry is equal to J12 apply absolute size references comma G12 multiply by L2 comma J12 is equal to J3 apply absolute size reference for J3 comma G12. Okay, you can see here I am going to complete step number 3 multiply by L3. You can see here comma G12 G12 is equal to J4 okay comma G12 multiply by L4. Okay, you can see here I have completed and find the value for the agent commission, that is 38,775.00. Okay, copy the function to the ranges K13 to K39. Now I am going to using the fill handler to copy the function in my remaining cells. Okay, you can see here I have copied the function in my remaining cells. Okay, I have completed the step number 4. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 5. In cell L12, insert if function with a nested AND function. Calculate the bonus. The AND function should ensure both conditions are met. Sold price divided by the listing price and greater than to equal to 100%. Okay, now I am going to find the value for the bonus. And I am going to apply the if function. It's also basically logical test. You can see here. And then AND function. Okay, you can see here I am going to solve the step number 5 by using the if and AND logical function. G12 divided by days unmarked are less than or equal to less 13. Okay, so according to instruction I am going to solve this step. F12 greater than and equal to L7. Applying absolute size references for the L7. Comma J12 less than is equal to L8. Okay, apply absolute size references and is equal to true. You can see here comma L9 comma 0. Okay, you can see here I have completed and I am going to solve the step number 5 and now copy the function to the ranges L12 to L39. Now I am going to copy the function by using the fill handle. You can see here I have found the values for the bonus. I have completed the step number 5. Now I am going to move for my next step. Today I am going to do Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 RealEstate. It's a major graded project of Excel Chapter 7 of MATLAB class. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assessment before many times for my many students with 100% grades. I have 100% solution of this assessment. Okay, I have completed step number 5. Now I am going to move for my next one. My next step is step number 6. In cell B2, insert the average A function. You can see here in cell B2, insert the average A function. Calculate the average sold price for the houses in city for alpha and use mixed references for the ranges. Use the relative references to the cell A2. Copy the function and use the paste for. Okay, now I am going to move for my next one. Okay, you can see here I am going to find the average sold price for the alpine is equal to average if B12 column B39 by applying absolute cell references, comma A2, comma G12. Okay, you can see here G12 to G39 and close the brackets. And I am going to find the values and applying absolute cell references for the G12 to G39 and find the value, that is 60,1386. Okay, now copy the function and use the paste formula option to paste the function in cell ranges B3 to B5. So that's bottom to order. Okay, now I'm going to copy the function and paste into the cell B3 to B5 by, okay, you can see here I have done, and I find the values for my remaining cells by copying the function and paste into value and number formatting. I have done. I have completed the step number 6. Now I am going to move for my next one. Next step is step number 7. In cell C2, insert the countif function. Okay, you can see here in cell C2, insert the countif function to count the number of the houses in the city of the alpha and use mixed references for the ranges and choose relative references in cell A2. Copy the function and use the paste formula option to paste function in the ranges C3 to C5. Okay. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 7. In cell C2, insert the countif function to count. Okay, now here I am going to apply the countif function B12 column B39 comma A2 and apply absolute cell references for the ranges B12 to B39 and I have found the number, that is 7. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to copy the function and paste into the paste option. Okay, you can see here is value, number, formatting. Okay, sorry, there is little error. Okay, I have applied the, okay, I find the number, that is 7. Now I am going to copy it. I have copied and pasted according to instruction. Okay, I have done and find the number for my remaining cell. Okay, now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 8. In cell B7, insert the sum if function to total commission by agent. Use mixed references for the ranges and choose a relative references to the cell A7. Copy the function. Okay, you can see here I am going to solve the step number 8. In cell B7, insert the sum if function to the total commission by agent. I am going to apply the sum if function C12 to C39. Apply the absolute cell references. Okay, you can see here I am going to apply the sum if function comma A7 comma K12 column K39 and I am also going to apply absolute cell references. Okay, and close the bracket and find the number, that is 20,4922. Okay, you can see here I have completed the step number 8. Now I think there is little B8. Okay, copy and paste option is remaining. I think in cell F2 insert the count if function in cell F2, count the number of. Okay, I am going to move for my next one. In cell F2 insert the count if function in cell F2 to count the number of the houses sold by the first agent in cell E2 who was the dual agent. Okay, for the houses use the cell references to the function. You can see here I am going to move for my next step is here. You can see I am going to apply countif function. I am going to insert the countif function to find the total sold. C12 to C39, comma E2, and apply absolute cell references for the C12 to C39. Selected the ranges. Okay, I'm going to apply the absolute cell references. That is done. Okay, and comma E2. Okay, you can see here I am going to apply insert account a function to find the value for the total sold, and comma E2. You can see here comma D12 column D39. Also apply absolute cell references for this range. Have done. Okay, today I am going to complete Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 RealEstate. If you need the solution of this assessment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assessment before many times for many students. If you need the solution of this assessment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I have done already. Okay, J3. Okay, you can see here and find the number, that is 3. Okay, you can see. And find the number. I have done. Now the next step is I have completed the step number 9. Now I'm going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 10. In cell G2, insert the sum is function to sum over the selling price to the houses on who has dual agent. In J3 for the houses, copy the function to the ranges G3 to G4 and preserve the bottom border in cell G4. Okay. In cell G4, insert the sum function to sum. Okay, now I am going to complete the step number 10. In cell G2, I am going to insert the sum function to the sum selling prices for the houses sold by the first agent. Okay, you can see here I am going to complete the step number 10. If you need the solution of this assessment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assessment before many times for my many students with 100% grades. I have 100% solution of this assessment. It's a greater project of Excel Chapter 7 ML1 RealEstate for the MATLAB class. Okay, now I'm going to apply the sum function to find the total sold price according to the instructions. Okay, you can see here I'm going to apply the formula. Okay, sum function. Okay, you can see here I'm going to apply the sum function according to instructions G12 to G39 and apply the absolute cell references by selecting the both ranges. Okay, you can see here I have applied the absolute cell references. Okay, you can see here if you need the solution of this assessment, you can find it through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assessment before many times for my many students. You can trust me for the quality grades. Okay, G12 to G39 comma D12 to D39. Okay, you can see here I'm going to apply sum function, and I also applying absolute cell references for the ranges D12 to D39. If you need the solution of this assessment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assessment before many times for my many students. If you need the solution of this assessment, I am always available with you to deliver quality grades. Okay, I am dealing MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting, MATLAB finance. You can trust me for the quality grades for any assignment, weekly quizzes, including final exam. I am sure for deliver to quality grades for you. Okay, you can see here I am going to apply sum function. I am going to do the step number 11 of Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 RealEstate. It's a greater project of Excel MATLAB class. You can see here I am going to complete this one. Okay, C12 to C39 also apply absolute cell references. If you need the solution of this assignment, I have 100% solution of this assignment. If you need any assignment of MATLAB class, MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, I am always available here to deliver quality grades. I have done. I find the value, that is 1,34,300. Okay, you can see here I have found. Okay, now I'm going to copy and paste and find the value for my remaining cells. You can see here I have done the step number 10. Now I'm going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 11. Okay, you can see here in cell H2 insert the maxif function. In cell H2 display the maxif function. You can see here I am going to complete the step number 11. In cell H2 insert the maxif function. In cell H2 display the List agent in cell E2 who was the dual agent J3 for the house. Copy the function to the ranges H3 to H4 and preserve the border in ranges H3 to H4. Okay, you can see here I am going to complete the step number 11. Here is my step number 11. I am going to apply the insert the function. Okay, max a function. If you need a solution of this assessment, I have 100% solution of this assessment. If you need solution of any MATLAB assignment, you can trust me for the quality grades. I am always available here to deliver quality grades. Okay. Apply absolute set references. Okay, for the ranges G12 to G39. If you need the solution of any MATLAB subject, MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting, MATLAB finance, economics, you can just text me. I am always available here to deliver quality grades. You can trust me for the quality grades. I am dealing thousands of students. You can trust me. I am always available and all the assignment will be delivered with before deadline. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to complete the step number 11 by using the max function to find the value for highest sold price. Okay, select C12 to C39. Also apply the absolute set references. Okay, you can see here I have done comma E20 E2 to D12. Okay, you can see here I have done D39 D12 to D39 and also apply the absolute set references for this ranges D12 to D39. J3 to, okay, you can see here I am going to complete this step, J3 and close. Okay, I have done and find the values 64 6,30,43,000. Okay, you can see here I have completed and copy the preserve the border. Now I am going to copy the function. I have copied and pasted into the remaining cells. You can see here by the this one. Okay, you can see I have completed the step number 11. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step, step number 12. Display the map worksheet. Select the ranges B1 to C5. Insert a map to the chart. Okay, now I am going to insert the map by selecting the ranges B1 to C5. Okay, you can see here I am going to display the map worksheet and select the ranges B1 to C5. Now I am going to select the map worksheet is here and I already copied the ranges, selected the ranges. Now I am going to insert the map. I have inserted this map, you can see here, and cut the map. I have completed step number 12 and move to next step number 13. Cut the map chart and paste into cell A7. Set 2.31 height and 3.62 width. Okay, you can see here. Cut the page. Okay, cut and okay. Now I am going to cut and paste the chart. Okay, you can see here and change the weight and height for the chart. You can see here I am going to complete the step and 3.562 sorry. Okay, and then I have completed this step. I know I'm going to and change the position of the chart, map chart to the A7. Okay, I have done step number 13. Now I'm going to move for my next step. My next step, step number 13, change the map title to average selling price by zip code. Okay, now I'm going to change the map title to average selling price by zip code. Copy the chart title and paste as a place of the chart title is here. I already copied and pasted here. You can see here I copied and pasted. Now I am going to move for the next step, step number 14, to customize the map. Display the format data serial task pane and select the option to display only region with data and show all label. Close the task pane. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to move this one. If you need the solution, okay, only the region with data and show all the label. Okay, I have done this one. If you need the solution of this assessment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I have completed. You can trust me for the quality grades. Okay, it's a Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 RealEstate. It's a greater project of Excel MyLab mastering class of Excel Chapter 7. If you need the solution of this assignment, I have 100% solution of this assignment. I can help you. Okay, now in cell E2 insert the component function to calculate the cumulative insert after the first year and use the references to be it. Okay, you can see here I am showing you just some last step of this project. Here I am going to apply the compare function to find the insert and the principal page. You can see here. B3 to B3 comma B4. Okay, you can see here I am going to complete this step. B3 comma B4, that's a compare function, and the B12, sorry, B1 comma B8. Okay, you can see here I am going to complete the compare function. Okay, you can see here comma B19. Okay, comma 0 and close the bracket and find the value that is inside. Okay, and the second one is compare function to find the principal paid. And you can see here I am showing some formula compare. Okay, B3 comma B4 comma B1 comma B8 comma B19. You can see here I am going to find the value for the principal comma 0 and close the bracket and have done and find the value. Okay, I have completed Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 RealEstate. If you need the solution of this assessment, you can just find me through WhatsApp or email. I already put my addresses in description. I am ready to deliver quality grades for you. Okay, thank you so much. I already solved this assessment for my many students. Solve 100% solution. I have complete solution of all MyLab assignment, quizzes, textbook, final exam. Just text me. I am ready to deliver quality grades. You can trust me for the quality grades. Okay, thank you.